Hi there! In this video, I'll be answering a common question. Can this Tapo C210 camera record all the time? Let's find out. So, can it? Well, it depends. This camera can continuously record, but you'll need a micro SD card for 24/7 recording. And it's important to initialize the SD card formatting through the Tapo app before you start using it. For this, go in the settings, then in storage and recording, then select local storage, and here you can see this red option to format micro SD card. Plus, you can customize a recording schedule in the app to fit your needs, whether you want constant recording or specific time slots. For this, go in the recording schedule, then edit, clear all, and after this set your own recording schedule for continuous recording and detection recording. Just swipe down like this. This is for continuous recording. Then let's switch to detection and do the same thing like this. After this, don't forget to tap the save button to save the changes. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.